Well, they say breaking up is hard to do, right? But our organizing expert says it's actually pretty easy to break up with busy and very necessary. We have Vicki Norris joining us live to tell us more about breaking up with busy. Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome,
Stephanie.
We're so happy to have you here on the show. Yeah.
I'm excited to meet you because I'm not naturally a very organized person. So I'm just I'm paying extra.
We have work to do.
I'm paying extra attention to your segments. But of course, something we can all relate to. It seems like life just gets busier and busier. So talk to me about this week's topic.
Yeah. Okay. So one of the biggest obstacles, Stephanie, to getting organized is the fact that everyone is toxically busy, right?
Yeah.
We're just running. In fact, the Harvard review says that we are not sleeping, we are irritable, we're exhausted, and this is all directly related to being busy. And who can't relate to that, right? And so today I'm going to share 4 ways that we can all break up with busy.
I love this. So first, you have break up with status.
Yeah, so I know this is kind of a psychological concept here, but it's so important, and I've seen this in myself, okay? A lot of times we say, I'm so busy, but really it's kind of creating this unreachable status for us, like, oh, I have a lot going on. I'm really important, right? Or we say, I'm so busy because we think we're being like so productive because we're hyperactive all the time, right? We're just getting all this stuff done. We feel like superwoman. So there's this payoff that we're getting that we have to look at. And that's where busy is really in the mind. Like, are we really that busy, or is it giving us some kind of like status? We got to break up with that so we can really look at the costs to our personal and our family life.
I really like that. Look at what's really important. You know, being busy isn't always good. It seems like you said, like we may be accomplishing things, but maybe we're not. Maybe we're more running in circles. Not doing the things we need to.
Exactly.
So another one, break up with excuses.
Yes. Okay, so we have so many excuses for why we're not getting organized and why we're so busy all the time. And what I find is that a lot of times we're just hiding behind those things. Hey, we say, I'm busy, but really the fact is, I don't want to go. The fact is, I can't afford to go. The fact is, I'm scared to go. So see, we're giving I'm busy as an excuse, but really there's other reasons that are actually what's behind busy. And so in this case, to break up with our excuses, we have to kind of get behind why we're dishing out these excuses and be true to ourselves.
What about break up with distraction? Oh, that's a good one.
Oh,
so many distractions in this world for us,
it's so noisy, right? We got to break up with distraction in our life. And this, I think a lot of people say they're busy, but really they're just on the hamster wheel of life. I mean, who can't relate to being on the hamster wheel, right?
And break up with label.
Yes.
What do you mean by that?
So we're always labeling ourselves as busy. When you're constantly claiming it, you're labeling yourself. You got to stop saying you're busy. Say my life is full. Saying I'm working on an exciting project. But quit saying you're busy because what we say, we create.
Yeah, true. Yeah, really, you know, try to commit to what we want to be, right? And if we don't want to be busy,
right. And I've got a great little freebie. We have a great resource this week that is a break up with busy worksheet. So for the viewers out there who really need some help getting untoxically busy, right? This will be a great resource for them. You can just go to our Restoring Order Facebook page and you'll find that as the top pin today, because we got to get off this hamster wheel and start living the life that we're meant to live.
I love this. Look inward. Big change there.
That's right.
Thank you so much, Vicki.
Absolutely.
Always nice having you here.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. Be sure you subscribe to the channel and check us out at restoringorder.com.